Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah. Thank you so very much for joining me. Today is the very first month of the Joy of Blue collab, and I truly appreciate you being here. This is the first collab I've ever hosted, and I am so very appreciative to all of the people that joined this collab and have put in the effort to make you wonderful videos and spread the joy of blue. And let me tell you why I started this collab and the point of this collab. This is to get out your stuff and have fun and make blue things. There aren't rules about what types of things, whether it's out of your stash or new. It doesn't matter if it's paper crafts, and there's no production. You could literally just play with blue watercolors all day and show us the paper if you wanted. So I think you're gonna see a lot of variety. Some people asked me if they could do beadwork, if they could work on one big quilt and just show us each month. All kinds of fun stuff should be in here. So if you enjoy the variety of my channel, I think you're going to enjoy the variety of this collab. I played with all sorts of stuff, and if you watch my channel, you've seen bits of it. I did some blue mixed media, I made some blue tags, I have all sorts of stuff. What I decided to do for this month's Joy of Blue is a journal, and it's a little bit like my 2020 goals journal, but it's a junk journal, so it's a bit more of a twist. And I'm going to give you a flip through. This journal I'm going to use for a giveaway, so you'll see this later in my channel, but today we're just going to do a quick flip through. We want to keep our videos brief so that you can enjoy the video hop and see all of the collab and not just have to pick one or two videos. And there are participants here on YouTube and on Instagram, so the links are all down below. Be sure to check everybody out and give them a thumbs up or a heart, whatever app you're on. The outside of this is navy with rose gold, and then the inside is navy with the rose gold leaves. And it's two pieces of paper back to back, so it's nice and sturdy. And then on the inside, I have mixed media goodness and some different papers. It's not true junk. I don't think I really have much junk mail in here. It's probably all good stuff, but it is assembled and ready for fun. I mean, I have a little bit of holographic stuff and a little bit of thread, but the corners could be rounded. The pages could be torn smaller. The string could be taken out and replaced if the person doesn't like it. It could be a planner for 2021. It could be a goals journal. It could be a mixed media art journal. This is ready to go in whichever direction. And what I thought was I would include, so that's the first half. The second half is very similar, right? Except the papers never turn out exactly the same if you're doing mixed media. And then I would include all these goodies with it. It's just another way to share the joy of blue and have some fun. Be sure to check out all the collaborators, take a look, and remember that we're here to play with our supplies and have a great time and not worry about what we're producing or how it's turning out. So I hope that this collaboration inspires you and that you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.